Hi, it's Nick with SprinterStore.com, back with another piece of our demo van build for 2019 Sprinter 1500. So, next piece we're going to be installing and opening today is a Tec Vanlife rack assembly for the passenger side rear door. So let's pop the box and see what we got. As with everything from Tec Vanlife, these guys are awesome. Packaging is really good. We get extra heavy tape plus straps. Nicely done. Heavy cardboard too. Now this is going to be a multi-piece unit that goes on the passenger door that allows us to mount their Trenta box, which is one of the other cool things we picked up. We'll show you in a bit. So let's see what's inside. All right, open this guy up nice and wide for the camera. There we go. This is a partial assemble yourself unit. As we can see, we have here giant, beautiful bag of a lot of hardware. That's a lot of bolts. Now, we have two of these pieces, which, judging by the hook we have right here, which I'll show you the profile of on multiple cameras, this is probably gonna end up going on the door side, and that's what's gonna hang. This is what they call a no drill rack, so you shouldn't have to poke any holes to mount that up. My guess is that that is the bottom side of that one, and this guy's gonna go about like so. We then have the door hinge side, this big, beautiful guy right here. So this is the actual piece that's gonna mount to the door hinges. You'll have your bottom and your top, and this will probably live something like that. Okay, well this would be turned around, but something like that. Now I got a couple more pieces in here, obviously. Let's get the foam out. Now notice, I always love it when they pack stuff in really nice foam. You don't have to worry about your powder coating getting scratched, which is super cool. We do have what I assume is the bottom piece slash step. I'm kind of guessing because I haven't checked the instructions yet. We have a bar. Not sure what it does, but like everything else, this is, you can't even make it ring, it's so heavy duty. Really well done, good welds, great powder coating. As always with these guys, phenomenal workmanship. And one more last piece of the ladder, or whatever assembly that would be considered. So this does have welded in nuts in certain positions for bolting stuff together. I'm assuming that's for bolting in all of the various pieces. So let's lay everything out and see what we got. Now it did also come with this. I believe that is a new panel for the Mercedes rear logo. So let's check out what's in here. Now this is insanely well packaged, so see what we got. All right, yeah. So this is a replacement for your rear Mercedes logo. And just in case you're curious, gorgeous Tec Vanlife logo on that. Big heavy duty metal. So optional little piece to install if we want. So here's what we got, guys. We have two long boards, two short boards, a door attachment, some form of crossbar, and another form of crossbar. So, big old bag of bolts and a couple of pieces of hardware. So I'm gonna go read the instructions, and we're gonna figure out how to get this done. My name's Nick, and this is SprinterStore.com, opening up a box for a Tec Vanlife passenger side rack assembly.